Wow, good morning. It's Intercontinental Hotel and I see supercars in the building. Let's see, these guys have really supercars. We're going to see each of them. And this is life at Intercontinental. Always they are visiting the hotel. That means the hotel is really nice and they love the hotel. You're gonna see this type of supercars and a lot of them, some of which we are dreaming to have. It's really some luxury cars. I see some Rolls Royce, some I really don't know too much about cars, and maybe we can ask Supercar Blondie. But really what we have here is, whoa, amazing. We're going to see one by one, and this is where they always parking. We have a look at this. Oh my god, look. Look at this. Amazing. These are real supercars. It's only supercars. Only supercars. And if you happen to come to Intercontinental Hotel, you just have to come in the ground lawn. They always parking in this area. Look at them. Look at them. And we have a security here making sure they are safe, coming around to check there is anything in the place, and then he will take the action. Look. Oh my god. These are really black. I have never seen luxury art. Oh my god. This is amazing. I have seen only at Intercontinental Hotel Fujairah Resort. That means it's gotten recognized by these guys and is loved. Not once, not twice. They are always visiting this place. That means the hotel is really nice and they are loving it. They cannot keep on coming to hotels that don't have good service. No. Wow. Wow. And look, this is the Intercontinental Fujairah Resort, and this is their parking in the lawn. So whenever you visit Intercontinental Fujairah, at least in the morning, come to the lawn. These cars most of the times are there. Security is going around to make sure everything is fine. These are really super cars. Real super cars. Look at this, it's green.